Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. Today we shall be looking at functions, and under functions we shall start with the inverse of a function. Inverse of a function. However, before we continue, I request you to please subscribe to all our YouTube channels from Wuna Educational Services, that is Wuna e-learning platform, Teacher Ivan's online class, Wuna Kids platform, where we post children's work. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with classmates, family members, and friends. Thank you. Click the notification button so that you get notified whenever we have new videos. The inverse of a function is obtained through 3 steps. For instance, let us say consider the function f(x) equaling to 2x minus 1 over 3. We are considering our function f(x) equaling to 2x minus 1 over 3. These are the 3 steps of obtaining the inverse. Step 1. Step 1 is let the function be any unknown. I'll say let it be k, so that from f of x equaling to 2x minus 1 over 3, instead of writing f of x, this is my function of x, I'll substitute it with k. So I'll say k equals to 2x minus 1 over 3. That is step 1. Step 2, and this is the most important, so you must be careful. After substituting the function with k, the second step is make the variable x the subject. So make x the subject. That is, we have k equaling to 2x minus 1 over 3. Make this a fraction so that we cross multiply. Shall get 3k equaling to 2x minus 1. We take 1 the other side, it becomes 3k plus 1 equaling to 2x. Since we want x, divide throughout by 2, so that you get x as 3k plus 1 over 2. That is step 2. Step 3 and the last step, we are going to replace we shall say replace x with the inverse, which is f inverse of x, and k with x. So we replace x with the f inverse, or the inverse of the function, and k with x. That is, remember, we have x as 3k plus 1 over 2. So if we are to replace, we replace x with the inverse, and we replace k with x, that is 3x plus 1 over 2. Hence this becomes the inverse of the function. Then sometimes we are given the inverse and they want us to find the function. Let us try out that, where we are given the inverse and we are asked to find the function. Let us use the same example. So this time around, the question will be, we can set our own question. So it will be if f inverse of x equals to 3x plus 1 over 2, comma, find the f of x and hence f of 1. So when we are given the inverse and they want us to find the function, we go through the same steps, and we have 3 steps. So here we shall say our step 1 will be, let, this time since we are given the inverse, we shall say let the f inverse of x be y, so that from the f inverse of x, which is 3x plus 1 over 2, where there is the f inverse is where we shall replace with y. So it is y equals to 3x plus 1 over 2. That is our first step. We go to step 2. Step 2 is we make x the subject. That is, from y equals to 3x plus 1 over 2, that gives us 2y when we cross multiply, equaling to 3x plus 1. We take 1 the other side, hence giving us 2y minus 1 equaling to 3x. We divide by 3 by 3, hence giving us x as 2y minus 1 over 3. That is our second step. After getting x, we go to the third step, that is replace x with the f of x and y with the x. That will be from x equaling to 2y minus 1 over 3. Hence, where there is x, we write the f of x equaling to, where there is y, we replace it with 1 over 3. So that is our function. After getting the function, remember our question was, this is our question. It says that if the f inverse of x is this, they want us to find the f of x and hence f of 1. So we have got the f of x. Now let us look at how we can get the f of 1. So f of 1, where there is x is where we shall replace with 1 on both sides. They have replaced it on the left hand side. We are doing the same on the right hand side. That is 2 into 1 minus 1 over 3, hence giving us 2 minus 1 over 3, which is a third. So that is how we get the inverse of a function. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Otherwise, hit the bell so that whenever we have new videos, you get notified so that we learn together. Otherwise, meet you in the next video. Thank you.